Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have a Mint Mongoose. Now if you don't know what Mint Mongoose is, it is a jewelry subscription. She sends you 2 pieces of jewelry, normally an earrings and a necklace, but it is customizable. If you don't wear earrings, you can tell her not to send earrings. She'll send a bracelet, something, or another necklace, something like that. This is a mama-run business. She runs it right out of her house. She comes up with all the ideas for the jewelry herself, themes it around things she sees in her life happening, her friends, things like that, and gives a great little story behind all of the jewelry. Now, she has changed her prices. I think it is $23.99 a month for these 2 pieces. And there is also add-on subscriptions that you can get, like t-shirts, which I love her t-shirts, earrings, rings, all kinds of different stuff. She's got lots of things you can look at and choose from, and it's really great company. I'll put more information down below if you want more prices and stuff like that, but right now we are just going to open this. It's just going to be a short little video, but I do love Helena. So here's how it comes. I love the pictures she sends. Oh, look at the blue jay. I love birds. And look at the cute little Mint Mongoose stamp that she puts on here. Adorable. Each one, it comes with an inspiration. It tells you the inspiration for the set and gives a little background. I'm going to read that to you right now. It says, "Make it anew, our inspiration behind the set. This month's set is inspired by the power to make each day anew a better version of the day before. Lately, the blue jays in our new home have been taking my breath away. Before coming here, growing up in California, I saw the blue jay maybe once in real life. Here they are waiting to greet me each morning with their song right outside each window. They are stunning and the real life inspiration behind this month's set. Unlike the norm of today, the blue jays do not fuss or fret about anything. They simply exist and sing all the while. As a mom of 4 kiddos, ages 2 days to 7 years, I fully understand fretting about everything. Having the lives of 4 little humans in your hands is no joke. To care for them in all the ways that it takes to create happy, well-rounded, and selfless hearts and spirits is a tall order, but the best order I can hope to fulfill in my life. Remembering to demonstrate forgiveness, patience, and resilience is required to set the foundation for them that every day can be a new experience, and the obstacles of yesterday's do not have to shape the narrative for today. With that truth comes a freedom that is truly special. This set is meant to take that freedom and celebrate it. The blue and white of this set is a tribute to the beautiful blue jays we have swirling around us as we do life, along with the freedoms they carry with them for each day, in each moment being a new, separate experience, unhindered by the one leading up to it. The small metal circle on the pendant represents a window framing each moment as a new opportunity. When you wear this set, I hope you are reminded of the freedoms you have to make each and every moment a new one. Love, Helena, the mama behind the mongoose." And she does quote, well, not quote, she mentions Revelations 21:5 down here. "Then the one seated on the throne said, 'Look, I am making everything new.' He also said, 'Right, because these words are faithful and true.'" That's Revelations 21:5, Christian Standard Version. Alright, so now let's look at the set. So in here, she always sends a Werther's Original. I love that. Now, after a certain amount of time, she starts giving you perks. One of my perks is that I get these magnetic clasps. This one has an extra link magnet. I get these magnetic clasps for your necklaces, which is great for all of us who have trouble latching it behind our necks like I do. So I get one of these every month. The longer you subscribe, the more perks you get. So my 2 pieces. So here is the necklace. Oh, that's pretty. Of course, all of her jewelry does come with extenders to where you can wear it at different lengths. It has this one little circle on it. But it's on the other side. That's weird. I would have thought it would have been on the front. Maybe it'll switch. Flip, you know. Get all the hair out of the way. Alright, so it could go a little longer or it can go a little shorter. But that is very cute. Now let's look at the earrings. Ooh, I almost lost one of the little backs. The little backs are just loose in there, so I have to always be careful, or I'll just pour them things out and they'll be gone. Alright, so there they are. They are very cute. I like them a lot. Alright, so what do we think of this month's set? I think it is really cute. I know I'll get a lot of use out of it. Granted, that blue does not stand out very much from my hair, but it is very cute. Just enough dangle for me. So I want to hear y'all's opinion. What do you think of this month's set from Helena? I missed my subscription to the t-shirts, y'all, but I had to slow down on the t-shirts. I'm getting so many, I don't have room for them all. Y'all, let me know what you think. Comment below. Don't forget to press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give the video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my YouTube channel is free and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to press the notification bell, share with your friends, and if you want to donate to the channel, there's 2 ways to do that. You can press the super thanks, it's like tipping through YouTube, or you can go to buymeacoffee.com. I'm under Unboxed by G, and you can tip me that way as well. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.